Okay, so this is how you use QWIKboard with Revolution lightboards, or lightboards in general. So we've got OBS software recording this. The screen is flipped, or the video camera is flipped, but I have my illustration imported into QWIKboard, and you see that here in the back of it is chroma keyed out so that you can see me through the presentation. And but what I'm going to do here is illustrate on the light board with the color pink, and you can see I can easily point to things. I can circle stuff, I can illustrate, this diagram, the API stack and things of that nature that I need to talk to on this diagram. Now, this URL I can share, and I've done that. I've shared it with another user who is running the same presentation, but they are in fact using this in a web browser. But that user can illustrate either with a tablet or their mouse. And they're going to use the color green, and they might be saying, "Oh, well, wait, what about this thing over here?" Right? And then another user, someone with a tablet, for example, might want to chime in and say, "Well, I'm going to use the color red, but I need to talk about these developers right here." Right? And so now we've got 3 people in this Revolution Lightboard that are simultaneously interacting, and this can be used over any of the web conferencing pieces of software. And I'm actually recording this using OBS Studio, but there are obviously many recording pieces of applications and software out there. So that's how you use it with a Revolution board. Have fun.